So I fixed my new style shitty government gas can so that it operates the way that a gas can should, and you can too. I'll put the link in the description of the kit, we'll call it, that I purchased to add a vent, replace the fill, and get rid of the effect that the new gas cans have with the integrated vent where it just gushes fucking gas and then chugs and then gushes gas again. So this was one of these style cans where it has the integrated vent that in reality does not a fucking thing. You got to twist and line it up. That needs its own special instructions, and it doesn't even matter. And I bought this kit that includes the vent that you have there, or that you see there, this high flow pour, this extension that is not only an extension, but it also brings the nozzle down so it'll fit in your standard vehicle's gas tank. And then it includes this little lanyard so that you could put it around the cap so that if you open it up, you won't lose the cap. And it also includes these two collars as well. Very simple install as far as this goes. The neck, you just pull out the one that's in the can, put that there, you're done. Then what you need to do is you need to drill a 1/2 inch hole in the can. I would not use a regular drill bit. I would use one of these step drill bits so you get a better perfect, a closer to perfect circle with your bit, but it's 1/2 inch. I'll put a link in the description to that as well. And then that's it. I mean, you obviously got to get, if there's any plastic shavings or anything that fall into the can, you got to get them out. But that's it. That's it. You pop the vent, open your cap, the gas pours, and it doesn't pour all over the fucking floor and all over the machine that you're trying to fill with gas. And that's it. It's like $12, and I will be doing this with every gas can that I have moving forward.